レオとバイラフレンズ、こんにちは。今日はネイティブ英語のリアルなフレーズをたくさん復習していきます。素晴らしい表現が本当にたくさんあるので、今回は日本のビデオに分けることにしました。焦らずゆっくり一緒に進めていきましょう。ネイティブが実際に使っている言葉やリズムを耳で覚えることで自然な英語力がぐんぐん伸びます。ただ単語や文法を暗記するだけよりずっと早くリアルな英語をためにつきます。今日のクラスは中学生レベルの基本的な英語を使っているので安心してください。リラックスしてたくさん聞いて一緒に楽しく学びましょう。準備はいいかな？それじゃあ始めよう。
Okay, yeah. Okay. So maybe we'll lighten it. Who knows?
Oh, it's so orange. Oh.
This is what it looks like in natural light.
Okay, so that was the end of part 1. There's 3 parts to this. Ooh. I'm feeling like this is gonna get really juicy. Basically because the thumbnail says I'm bald. Okay, so we have a little bit of a root going on now.
You can already see my roots are already back in.
It's been a while.
Johnson's here. But yeah, we're gonna fix my hair.
This girl don't give a and I kind of with it. So now we're here applying more of the box bleach onto the same hair she just bleached twice, and the hair that cannot handle any more lightning. It can't handle it. It is gonna snap off, and it's not gonna be cute. This is gonna be a disaster, 100%. We are not safe. No. See how much hair was coming out when she did that?
This was the most expensive shampoo I've ever freaking bought in my life. Yeah, I don't know, it's this shimmer lights.
Now her hair is extremely porous, and then she's gonna use shimmer lights on top of her extremely porous hair, which is gonna result in her hair turning purple in some spots. I'm sure it's gonna be very uneven and patchy. It's going to be terrible. I already know it.
There's so much hair in there. I know, I feel it. Oh my god, this is not the length of my hair. Ah! This is all probably gonna come out because that's not the length of my hair. You don't lift yours coming out. Is that all hair down there? Yes.
Oh my god, I'm getting chills, dude. My entire body has chills. Oh my god. Sorry, I have nothing to say.
That's all of it though. That's all.
Oh my, it's like a whole nother.
This like isn't funny to me.
Bailey's hair is falling off.
Why is her roots? If it would have happened anywhere else, oh, that would.
I'm so used to your black hair for some reason.
I don't mean to make you feel more bad, but it actually couldn't have been worse. So now we're cutting it. Sorry, I am like so in a daze right now. I just can't fathom what just happened. And so now we're going in and we're cutting it. I hope we're just cutting it all off. How the hell is this girl still smiling? How? I aspire to be more like you. I aspire for the world to be more like you. This is one of the worst things that can happen, and you are just sitting there smiling. Oh my god, now we have an undercut. When did that happen? What is this? What is happening? Okay, actually from the front, it doesn't look like totally horrible. She actually looks really cute. I don't know how they pulled that off. Okay, so we end there. She didn't really show her hair, which is really annoying. They ended up like covering it a bit with the style, but God, it looks better. I don't know. That's sort of where it ends, and you've heard everything I have to say already. I don't feel like repeating myself. That was quite horrendous. That's my conclusion. That was wild. I am gonna be thinking about this video for a while now. Anyways. All right, you guys, that is it for today's video. I am at a loss for words. It's very rare that I am taken aback by these videos. I've seen obviously so many over the years now with you guys, and this was probably the worst I've ever seen. Congratulations. You really threw me for a loop on this one. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at BramondoNYC. Follow my hair care brand Xmondo Hair for
Alright friends, let's go over the real English phrases we just heard in the video. These are all supernatural emotional expressions, perfect for real conversation. Let's begin. First up is get really juicy. This means something is about to get very exciting or even dramatic. You can use it when you're watching a story and you feel something wild is coming. Example, I think this episode is going to get really juicy. Okay, next one. This one's intense. This is going to be a disaster. This means this is going to go really badly. You know it's not going to end well. Example, she's using kitchen foil to bleach her hair. This is going to be a disaster. Moving on. This next one is all about emotion. I'm getting chills. We say this when we feel shocked, emotional, or amazed. It's like goosebumps. Example, I'm getting chills just watching this moment. Alright, here's one when you're totally confused. I can't fathom what just happened. This means I can't understand it. The situation is just too crazy. Example, she bleached her hair 4 times? I can't fathom what just happened. Now let's get into a really expressive one. How the hell is she still smiling? We say this when someone stays positive, even when things are terrible. It's half serious, half funny. Example, her hair is falling out, bio. How the hell is she still smiling? Almost there. This next one is common in emotional moments. I'm at a loss for words. You say this when you just can't even react. You're so shocked, you don't know what to say. Example, that was the worst bleach fail ever. I'm at a loss for words. And finally, one of my favorite phrases, you threw me for a loop. This means you really surprised me in a totally unexpected way. Example, I thought she gave up, but she kept going. You totally threw me for a loop. Great job, friends. Let's review them one more time in a mini story.
Flight 527 ready for departure.
So we started filming a simple hair dye at home tutorial, but pretty quickly I knew this was going to get really juicy. She picked up the bleach like she knew what she was doing, but 5 minutes in, I was already like, this is going to be a disaster. And then suddenly, a chunk of her hair fell off. I'm getting chills just thinking about it. Seriously, I can't fathom what just happened. The most insane part, how the hell is she still smiling? Like, girl, your hair just melted. I was honestly at a loss for words. Completely speechless. You know what? You totally threw me for a loop. I did not see that coming.
May I have your attention, please?
バイラとレオフレンズ。これが英語を学ぶ一番の方法だよ。リアルな声、感情、そして自然な会話を聞くことで早く覚えてもっとナチュラルに話せるようになるんだ。そして大事なのは続けること。毎日聞いて、耳を鳴らしていこう。バイラとレオのチャンネルへようこそ。このチャンネルでは動画を通じてネイティブがよく使うフレーズをバイラとレオの友達のみんなに解説していきます。先生の目標はこのチャンネルを通じて一人でも多く英会話に自信を持ってほしい。そしていいコミュニティを築き上げたいです。今日学んだリアル英語、ぜひ使ってみてね。皆さんのコメントがより良い動画作りの助けになります。次に学びたいことを教えてください。アメリカのワーク学校ってどんな感じ？留学するのに英語はどのぐらい必要？コメントで聞いてくれたら動画で取り上げるかもしれません。皆さんのコメントお待ちしてます。